Here's a fan I just got. Open the package here. A little bit of grill damage, as you can tell, but I'm going to try to fix that up. And as soon as I get this fan cleaned up, I'll do the official show off of it. So this is a fan that I just recently acquired through the help of my friend and fellow fan collector here on YouTube, Beau Mitchell. He helped me track this fan down. This is one that I've been looking to add to the collection for several years. And I already have one of these S-223s in terracotta, that frigid badged one that I've got. But I always sort of wanted to have one in this color specifically, and the opportunity arose, so I jumped on it and got this. This is the Lakewood S-223 in the later peach colored cabinet, and the color is pretty much the reason why I got this fan. For some reason I couldn't think of any other box fan that really comes in quite the same color, and I thought it would make an attractive pair with my terracotta S-223. This fan is, I've already checked the motor date code, is from 1978. This is in fact it's a 1978, so I think it's a pretty early one for that year. And look at the speed switch there. It's got a white speed switch, the wider handle. The paint overall is really very good. There's no major scratches, just some minor wear and tear over the years, which you can expect from a fan like this. Really not much going on. Now, the main thing about it is, condition wise, there's one slat missing and a couple of cracked ones. I may go ahead and break that out and do like a popsicle stick fix for that. This has got a Macmillan motor with an oil port right there. Original cord. There's a view of the back. And this Macmillan actually runs it runs lower RPMs than my Frigid. My Frigid has the Westinghouse, and this has got the Macmillan. It's got more of a true low speed, or closer to it. And yeah, turn this back around. But yeah, this fan was pretty dirty when I got it. It was pretty filthy. Finally took it apart. For some reason I struggled for a long time to get that tension clip off, and then I remembered you basically don't have to. The method I like to stick to with these fans is basically just heat the hub and pull it off. And after I did that, I got it off, cleaned it up, got it all oiled, put back together, and so here it is pretty much. Go ahead and run this. I'll start off on low, then medium, and then high. Kind of sounds like there's something inside the cabinet. It's getting blown around. spin down. Not too bad. Overall, pretty satisfied with this fan. I'm happy to have this one in the collection, and I think it goes well with my terracotta one. But I think that's probably gonna about do it for my Lakewoods as far as like the ones I want to get. But we'll see. I guess only time will tell. Yeah, that's the S-223 from 1978. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.